guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You're all welcome to today's recipe. What I'm making today is mozzarella stuffed garlic bread. As you can see, I'm trying to cut the mozzarella into cubes. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So you are all welcome. This is a very delicious recipe that you can just quickly make and enjoy. So yeah, so as you can see, I've just cut the mozzarella into just big cubes, and I'm going to season it. So guys, I'm adding a bit of salt to taste. Okay, and then I'm going to just add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, make it taste really yummy. And then I add my mozzarella. Alright, so just I like the scent of parsley. I don't know about you, but I love parsley. Okay, so I'll put this aside and then I'll get on with my bread. So guys, with my garlic bread, I have warm milk here. I'll put all the measurements below. Literally just pouring everything inside and just mixing it. So I have a beaten egg. All right, and I do have some salt and yeast and sugar. Right, so what I'm adding, I'm just adding garlic that's been crushed. Okay, it's about 3 cloves of garlic that's been crushed, and I have some chopped spring onions. Okay, it makes it really taste nice, guys. So, and then I add my flour. I'll just add all of them and then mix them. Just mix it together nicely. It smells really good here. Mix it nicely to form a dough. I prefer using my hand sometimes. It makes it easier. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you following me. Thank you so much. If you are new here, thank you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Form a nice dough nicely. That's really a lovely dough. Okay guys, as you can see here, I'm trying to incorporate the butter. I like doing it this way. Okay, but guys, I just want to knead a little bit of the dough. It's very sticky and that's how I want it to be. So I put a little bit of flour here and just knead it a little bit, and then I'll cover it for it to rise, and then I'll just go on to cut them. Okay, so you have a nice dough, and what I've done here, I've oiled the bowl that I was using to mix it. So I'll put that in, and then I'll cover it for about 30 to an hour. So 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can just get on with that. Okay guys, so our dough has risen. So what we're going to do here is to try and cut them into pieces. All right. nice and soft. Right, so I'm going to just cut them. Cut them into 8 pieces. It depends. I might add more to it if I feel that it's quite big. Alright, so let's see. Right guys, we pick up one and before that I just press it. And I'll add a cube of my mozzarella in there. And then make sure it's nicely covered. So see, as it's nicely covered. Okay. So place that on a tray. I'll do that for the rest of it. Pick up our dough and then we flatten it. Don't want to play with it a lot, so add my cube. And then make sure it's nicely covered. Can see. Let's put that there. So I'll do that for the rest of the dough, and then we can cover it a little bit, and then we can bake them. Right guys, as you can see, I've already put my bread into rolls now, so I am going to cover it for about 30 minutes before I bake them. Okay, so we'll cover them, and then 30 minutes we just bake them. Okay guys, just want to bake our buns, but before that I want to just put some butter and egg, brush them. Right guys, I just want to sprinkle this with some Parmesan. Okay, it's nicely done. So you put that in the oven. It's already preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, and you can put that in the oven for about just 20 to 25 minutes. Well guys, so our buns is ready. It's really delicious and it's really nice. So if you like this video guys, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of it. Thanks for watching and may God bless you. Bye.